अक्टूबर मंथ का, वैसे थोड़ा लेट आता है पर कोई बात नहीं। टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, पॉलिटी, गवर्नेंस, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन, इकोनॉमी, साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी, सिक्योरिटी, environment, social issue, culture, ethics and schemes. I think firstly थोड़ा सा मन अलग है तो आज कल्चर पढ़ते हैं। तो फॉर कल्चर फर्स्टली वी शुड गो टू पेज नंबर 103. So 103, little tough task to search 103. Now we reached at page number 103 and now culture. This month culture topic number 1, rural tourism. Why in news? Recently the United Nations World Tourism Organization announced its list of best tourism villages 2023. Launched in 2021, Best Tourism Villages by United Nations World Tourism Organization initiative is a part of United Nations World Tourism Organization Tourism for Rural Development Program. The initiative comprises 3 pillars. Best Tourism Village by United Nations, Best Tourism Village by UN Upgrade Programs, and Best Tourism Village Networks. Now, Best Tourism Village by United Nations World Tourism Organization recognizes outstanding rural tourism destination with credited cultural and natural asset, a commitment to preserving community-based values, and a clear commitment to innovation and sustainability across economic, social, and environmental dimensions. And the second one, Best Tourism by United Nations World Tourism Organization Upgrade Program supports villages on their journey to meet recognition criteria, helping in area identify as gaps during the evaluation. Best Tourism Villages Network, a space for exchanging experience and good practices, learning and opportunities among its members. And it is an open contribution to expert and public and private sector partners engaged in the promotion of tourism as a driver for rural development. Now, what is the United Nations World Tourism Organization? Genesis, it was proposed in 1946 to replace the United Nations of Official Tourist Propaganda Organization established in 1975 and become the a specialized body of UN in 2003 about promotes tourism as a driver of economic growth, inclusive development and environmental sustainability. Objective: strengthening the United Nations World Tourism Organization's capacity is a position tourism in 2030 agenda for sustainable development and sustainable development goal. Governing body is the General Assembly. It is the principal gathering of the United Nations World Tourism Organization. It is composed of full member and associates member. It meets every 2 years to approve the budget. And program of the work. 6 regional commissions: Africa, America, East Asia, Pacific, Europe, Middle East and South Asia. Executive Council, the term of office of the members elected to the council is 4 years. Members, 160 members sit, 6 associates member and 2 observers. India is a member. Member of what? United Nations World Tourism Organization. Best tourism villages are evaluated under the 9 key areas. What is the key areas? Key areas: cultural and natural resources. Number 1 is cultural and natural resources, economic sustainability, environmental sustainability, governance and prioritization of tourism, health, safety and security, promotion and conservation of cultural resources, social sustainability, tourism development and value chain integration, infrastructure and connectivity. Dodo Village Best Tourism Village in 2023. Muthwa Embroidery. Dhordo Village in Kutch district of Gujarat. Dhordo Village, Kutch district in Gujarat has gained global recognition as one of the best tourism villages awarded by the United Nations World Tourism Organization. Dhordo is famous for hosting the annual Ran Utsav, White Desert Festival. Ran Utsav, celebrated every year in November onwards by Gujarat Tourism. It is a cultural extravaganza that the showcase of the regional traditional art, music, craft, dance and cuisine. Dhordo is also home to the Muthwa community from Sindh, specializing in Muthwa embroidery, chain of stitches in silk with mirror, silver jewelry and leather embroidery. Madla Village, selected in upgrade program. Madla Village is located in Panna district of Madhya Pradesh. River Karnavati can flow through this village. Some intangible heritage of village includes folk music and dance, local festivals and Bundelkhand cuisines. The architecture of house is still has the essence of the village. About rural tourism. Rural tourism represents any form of tourism that showcases the rural life, art, culture and heritage at rural areas. Ministry of Tourism has identified rural tourism as a niche area for the development and promotion of rural India. Different forms of rural tourism include tourism, cultural tourism, ecotourism, etc. Rural tourism activities take place in non-urban area with following characteristics: low population density, landscape and land use are dominated by agriculture and forestry, traditional social structure and lifestyle. Challenges associated with rural tourism: poor infrastructure. Number one is poor infrastructure, lack of awareness and skills, lack of trained manpower and digital literacy. Poor infrastructure, long distance from nearby towns, lack of connectivity and poor transportation facilities, inadequate loading amusement facilities, electricity, telecommunication including ICT infrastructure, etc. Lack of awareness and skill. Rural populations often lack knowledge, skill and financial backing to market their cultural, artists and craft related services to tourism. Lack of trained manpower. Rural area lack trained human resources, affecting direct the tourism and hospitality industry. Moreover, the trained workforce from the urban areas are generally tend to refrain from the tapping rural tourism opportunity due to the seasonal demand of the industry. Digital literacy. Digital literacy in rural areas hinders the adaptation of the technology-based solution to market and attract tourists, such as advertisement on social media, online booking services, etc. What is the significance of rural tourism? Now, first significance is improvement in public service and increase the living standard of local communities. Develop market for agro product and handicrafts. Promotes conservation of cultural and natural heritage. Reduces stress migration to urban areas. Brings together people of different cultures, faiths, languages, etc. and provide broader outlook of life. Creates employment opportunity for local communities and generate revenue for the government. These 6 significance of rural tourism. Initiative taken to promote rural tourism. National strategy and roadmap for development of rural tourism in India. It aims to leverage India rural heritage in creating the vibrant, responsible tourism significant by creating engaging rural experiences. National strategy for promotion of homestay. It aims to develop rural homestay as an experiential tourism product which boosts the rural tourism. Ministry of Tourism had designated Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management as the central nodal agency. It identifies villages which provide a set of unique experiences of tourism. For instance, Tamil Nadu, Kullukumalai, highest tea plantation in the world; Kerala, Devalokam Yoga Center; Telangana, Pachampalli village, traditional weaving techniques; Machilli in Maharashtra, agrarian homestay. National Tourism Awards. Ministry of Tourism presents annual NTA to various segments of the national tourism and hospitality industry, including state government, in recognition of their performance and encourages healthy competition to promote tourism. Kontong village honored with the Best Tourism Village awarded at National Tourism Award 2023. देखो अपना देश स्कीम, it aims to increase the domestic tourism